This is cadr number 3. To try to get into it, I'm going to use my Lawlocks tools, turning tool in 47 thousandths, and just my Moki standard. Will help both tensioning the right way. So 1 little core movement, this one 2, little something at 3. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Alright, so 1, I just hit it again, and I got a little bit more out of the core. So that's 1. And I dropped some stuff, I think. Three, 4, 5. One, 2, 3. There's 4. And 1 opened it up. So yeah, this lock is I'm sure it's designed to be that way, but this lock is a juggling act. Seems like every time you set a pin, you drop 1 or 4, and you just kind of have to bounce back and forth between them and try to get them all above the shear line before it opens. But that's cadr number 3.